Okay, cool. FlexiPlanter.
Yes.
Okay. So this is one of the FlexiPlanter units. They come in different sizes, different shapes, and they all fit together neatly with this Velcro at the back. The whole unit is made entirely of 100% recycled materials. At the front, this is a breathable synthetic felt material, and at the back, this hard-wearing ground sheet basically just keeps all the moisture and retains the moisture at the back. This, as opposed to a solid plastic unit, allows more breathing for the roots and stops plants becoming waterlogged. Plants can root through, and also if you use things like baby's tears or something, they can root over the top and completely obliterate the planter instead of having plastic buckets holding it. At the top we've got some loops, so these loops can go straight onto the hooks that we put in earlier. And the side trim with the Velcro here and at the back allows us to attach all the units on and connect them all together. So the next unit will just fit on like this. Now, these are prototype units, so we have used them in lots of situations. They've been put on walls and taken down and shown and displayed at different places, but obviously yours would be fresh and new. These little tabs that I'm pulling out the way, these hold the irrigation pipes, but we'll show you that later. And then these simply attach seamlessly together like that, the planting pockets at the front. And there you have it. So one line of all the planters all in place.